Hello, and welcome to GreatMats.com, where you can expect great service. Now, I'm not the greatest at golfing, but I do know that practice makes perfect, and with the Grasstex Perfect Putt turf roll, I can do just that, and so can you. Built to resemble the natural look of an outdoor putting green, this roll is made of a UV-treated polypropylene plastic, making it easy to maintain and great for indoor and outdoor installations. Perfect Putt turf comes in 15-foot widths and custom lengths, so it can fit wherever you need it to go. It can be used for putting areas, at driving ranges, and at golf equipment stores. This roll can be installed using glue or seam tape and only needs an occasional wash. You don't need to cut it, water it, or even make sure it's still alive. Perfect Putt turf is built for durability. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new artificial grass turf roll.